Today we're fixing a master suite with some very common layout problems. Awkward bed placement, cramped bathroom flow, and wasted space. Welcome to the Floor Plan Clinic. In this episode, we're breaking down a master wing, identifying the problem areas, and redesigning it into a layout that actually works. Let's get started. First, let's look at the issues in the current layout. The biggest one is the bed placement. Right now, when you enter the bedroom, you're greeted by the side, almost the back of the bed. Ideally, when you walk into a bedroom, you want a clear, welcoming view of the bed wall. In this design, there's no reason we need to settle for this awkward orientation. Next, we have this 18-inch niche behind the bed. It feels dated, and since we're moving the bed wall anyway, we can go ahead and remove it. Moving into the bath and closet area, there are a few more problems. The line of sight into the bathroom is not ideal. There are angled walls that aren't using space efficiently. The tub is cramped against the exterior wall. The water closet door actually collides with the angled wall. And overall, the bathroom feels spread out and undefined. Now let's talk about how we can fix this. First, we strip out the interior elements so we are working from a blank canvas. By enlarging and squaring off the bedroom, we can create a proper bed wall and a more private entrance into the bathroom. This also gives us room for furniture and a cozy seating area. For the bathroom, instead of spreading fixtures everywhere, we define the space more intentionally. We keep the shower and the freestanding tub along the exterior wall to bring in natural light. High transom windows will work well for the shower, and a large obscure glass window is perfect in front of the tub. Beneath our other window, we add a bench with linen storage, or shelves, or a cabinet, depending on preference. Then we place the water closet, a new 9-foot double vanity, and finally a well-defined walk-in closet. And this closet could even include a peninsula with a full-height mirror, or an island with a chandelier above it. The point is, we actually now have options. So here is the original layout and our updated layout. And here are the renderings of the new primary suite and bathroom. If you enjoyed this breakdown or found it helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.